Yeah. Plain Jane, ride with the mob, alhamdulillah. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, then baller did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, alhamdulillah. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, then baller did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane.
Titties, an ass, and titties. We took over the vlog today. What's up, guys? We're out here in the woods. Don't know where we're at, but we're in the woods. And we're just kind of hanging out
dirt
with the guys.
bikes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, who gave you a camera?
This footage is legendary. It's gold.
Is it?
Perfect. It is. I don't like being. I like being behind the camera. Okay.
You need to listen to the audio. It's fucking
But my ass
funny.
likes being in front of the camera.
Fucking animals.
Same. I mean,
Intermission and send it. What's up, guys? We're here with a bunch of girls.
woo! Girls. That's us.
They have vaginas
That's scary. AKA pussies.
and boobs.
AKA tits.
Some titties.
Just kidding. Show tits. I think it'll be Bree. Bree, where are your tits? I knew it.
Missed it. We're filming dirt bikes, you bunch of perverts. Come on.
Girls.
You missed the titties again.
Yeah, get your fucking heads out of the gutter. We're watching dirt bikes here. Come on. I'm missing shots here.
Three.
All right. Watch him on the table. He makes it now. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, then baller did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, alhamdulillah. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, then baller did the chain. Torn off for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Fuck, right? Joe. Squirrely as fuck. Oh, no problems.
What fuck's sakes, man, it's upside down. Here we go, guys. Fuck, you got a crack in the screen, Kai. What the fuck is that all about? I got bedhead. Blake's got... No, I'm just kidding. I wasn't gonna make fun of you right now. We got butt crack, Jack. Yo. Oh, we're up at Whistler today. We're gonna have a fun fucking time. We're gonna ride the bikes, ride the trails, jump the shit, and then after we're done, we're gonna get our dick sucked!
Oh, gross!
Yeah! Anyway, love you guys. Stay tuned.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping